Are you about to start a research dissertation or project, or are you aiming to develop your career as a researcher? If yes, then you already know that research is not just an academic requirement, it is your most powerful career differentiator. But here's the reality: while you are still manually shifting through hundreds of papers and spending weeks on literature reviews, researchers using AI are completing the same work in days with deeper insights and a broader scope than ever before possible. Whether you aspire to thrive in academia, secure high impact industry roles, or lead in research driven organizations, mastering the research process is not enough anymore. You need to master the future of research. This course, AI in Social Science Research, is your practical guide at this transformative intersection. We don't just adapt to changing research trends, we help you anticipate and lead them. This is not about replacing your research skills, it is about amplifying them, generating AI that can elevate every single stage of your work. Hello everybody, I am Dr. Urmila. I am delighted to partner with Dr. Anurag Jain and Dr. Vishal Sudan. Together, we bring a unique blend of academic rigor, cutting-edge research experience, and deep technology expertise. We are not just teaching you about AI, we are researchers who use these tools daily to push the boundaries of what is possible in social science. Over 6 systematically structured modules, you will build both hands-on AI skills and the strategic mindset to integrate these tools into your daily workflow. Week 1 transforms you from AI curious to AI fluent. You will explore how generative AI is revolutionizing research workflows and gets hands-on with user-friendly tools designed specially for researchers. No technical background required, just your curiosity and ambition. Week 2 revolutionizes how you approach literature reviews, while traditional researchers spend months manually searching and synthesizing. You will learn to use AI-powered tools like Scopus AI, Web of Science, and Science Direct AI to identify research gaps, generate insightful research questions, and create comprehensive literature synthesis in a fraction of the time.
Hello, I am Dr. Anurag Jain and I am the co-instructor for the course AI in Social Science Research. In research, we often need a helping hand to save time on repetitive work and aid efficiency to complex set of activities. That's exactly what AI brings in. Moving forward, as a part of this course, in week 3, we will gain insights into research design and data collection. In this module, we will explore research requirements in detail and also see how AI can support us in formulating research questions and hypotheses. We will also learn how AI can assist in designing surveys, interviews, and other data collection tools. Likewise, in week 4, the course will direct you towards data analysis using AI tools. Through a hands-on approach, you will be able to gain practical skills using AI for quantitative, statistical, and qualitative analysis, which includes thematic coding, sentiment analysis, and visualization. In week 5, we will try to dig deeper into writing, referencing, and publishing the content using AI. Through examples and common journal formatting, we will master the use of AI in scholarly writing. From drafting sections to managing citations and ensuring clarity, grammar, and journal suitability, we are going to do this as a part of this week. In last week of this course, that is week 6, we will explore the importance of ethics, integrity, and future of AI in research, with a focus on ethical implications, research integrity, plagiarism, and transparency in AI generated research. This module will address the issues associated with privacy policies and future role of AI in research.
How often do you find yourself in the middle of texts and interpretations? In research, we face this issue of transformation where we find it little hard to shift our writing style that suits academics. Even if the applications are not academic in nature, a proper understanding of the audience and possible applications of research outcomes is the need of the hour. Hello, I am Dr. Vishal and I am also one of the co-instructors for this course. I am here to help you in making this course more effective and more engaging through live examples and analysis. After the completion of this course, you will be able to understand the foundations and evolution of generative AI. You will also be able to use AI tools for literature review, question framing and data synthesis. Also, you will be able to apply AI for automated data analysis and visualizations. Also, the course is designed to enhance research writing with ethical use of AI assistance, and you will be able to integrate AI responsibly in research workflows addressing ethical and copyright concerns. So, to sum up, the course team is quite confident that through this course you will not only gain the technical know-how of applying AI in social science research, but also you will be able to develop the confidence to use these tools with purpose, clarity and integrity. We look forward to assisting you in this journey of discovery, innovation and impactful research. Thank you.